Antibiotics. Today we'll study the antibiotics class of drugs, which includes beta-lactam antibiotics like penicillin, cephalosporin, aminoglycoside antibiotics, tetracycline, macrolide, lincomycin, and polypeptide. Antibiotics are generally used for bacterial infection, which includes meningitis, otitis, lung infection like pneumonia, skin infection, sexually transmitted diseases, urinary tract infection, food poisoning, gastritis, upper respiratory tract infection, sinusitis, and eye infection. Antibiotics are antimicrobial substances which generally active against bacteria, but they can be used for fungal infection, and even the anti-cancer antibiotics are also available. It is a Greek word which means against life. Antibiotics are those which are produced from microorganisms, so they are natural compounds. But nowadays, semi-synthetic derivatives of antibiotics and even the synthetic molecules are also available. Definition of antibiotics. Antibiotics are the substances produced by microorganisms and which has the capacity of inhibiting the growth and even of destroying other microorganisms. Highlighted points of this definition are: they are the products of metabolism of microorganisms. They are synthetic derivatives of natural antibiotics. They can antagonize or inhibit the growth and survival of other microorganisms. And most importantly, they are effective at very low concentrations. The first antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Fleming was working on a culture of disease-causing bacteria when he noticed the spores of a green mold, Penicillium chrysogenum, in one of his culture plate. He observed that the presence of the mold killed or prevent the growth of other bacteria. Fleming postulated that the mold must secrete an antibacterial substance which he later named as penicillin. Later on, many antibiotics was discovered like some peptides, aminoglycosides, rifampicin, linezolide, nalidixic acid, daptomycin, and many more. Antibiotics classified on the basis of their mechanism of action, like antibiotics acts on cell membrane, beta-lactam antibiotics, vancomycin, bacitracin, antibiotics which acts on ribosome, like 50S subunits acting antibiotics are macrolide, clindamycin, linezolide, chloramphenicol, streptogramins. On 30S, tetracyclines and aminoglycoside acts. Some antibiotics also acts on the folate synthesis like sulfonamide and trimethoprim, and antibiotics which act on nucleus are DNA gyrase inhibitors and RNA polymerase inhibitors. Examples are quinolones and rifampicin respectively. Antibiotics are also classified based on their action. Some are bactericidal, some are bacteriostatic. Similarly, some are fungicidal and some are fungistatic. We can also classify antibiotics based on their chemical structure. Like the antibiotics which have beta-lactam ring come under the beta-lactam antibiotic class. Example is penicillin, cephalosporin, monolactam. Antibiotics which have aminoglycoside linkages, those comes under this class. Antibiotics which have 4-membered 4 cyclic membered rings, they are comes under the tetracycline. Some antibiotics have the macrolide or the complex macrocyclic structure, or comes under the macrolide class. Lincomycin are also classified based on their chemical features, and polypeptides are the antibiotics which have the polypeptide rings. These are the representative structures from each class. You can observe the presence of beta-lactam ring in penicillin and cephalosporin, 4-membered cyclic rings in tetracycline. Macrolide is having the macrocyclic structure like azithromycin, and lincomycin having this particular structural feature. Even in case of polypeptide, you can see there is a peptide linkage which is linked to form this structure. Example is bacitracin. In case of beta-lactam ring, there are 2 examples, cephalosporin and penicillin, both having the beta-lactam ring, but ring attached to the beta-lactam is different in case of penicillin and in case of cephalosporin. There are few more beta-lactam antibiotics like monolactam and carbapenem, and they are structurally slight variation with the penicillin and cephalosporin with respect to the ring which is attached to the beta-lactam. This is how we can number the beta-lactam ring. It starts from the nitrogen which is in between the beta-lactam and thiazolidine ring, and it goes in anti-clockwise direction, like first number to this nitrogen and then toward the anti-clockwise direction, and then move towards the beta-lactam ring. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and toward the beta-lactam 6 and 7. So you can see here at the position number 2 the carboxylic link is at group is attached. At the position number 3 the 2 methyl substitutions are present, and at position number 6 there is a amide linkage. Okay, thank you.